This corner over here is always so dark, it drives me nuts. So I threw this light on up here. Boom! Look at that. Look at how bright that is. Let me fix it so the camera can... There we go. This is the Latour 16-inch rechargeable LED light. They were nice enough to give it to me for free so I can make this video showing it to you. Now, not only is it super bright, it works perfectly as an under cabinet light. You can see, we can see our state of charge right there. We're at 94%. Also works as a power bank. You have the little USB port here so you can charge your cell phone or some other device if you so choose. Now, we also have different lighting modes. Let me turn it back on. That's the standard. You got a nice warm light there. Little bit in the middle. And we got party time lights. Party time. Actually, that might mean you had too much party time. But we got party time lights. Another really cool thing about this. Let's get it back on so we can see. Magnetic. Just take it off. You want to put it on your fridge? Boom. We can put it on our fridge. And it comes with these little metal guys that are peel and stick. And you just attach them up under there. Another cool thing is it has a tripod mount. Working out in the garage or something, you want to shine that on the side of the car, maybe doing some body work or something. I don't know what you're doing, but now you can see a lot better because it is on a tripod. So there is that tripod mount I mentioned. Here are your magnets for sticking it to something metal, and then we also have a hanging hook. So we can hang it, we can screw it into the tripod, we can use the magnets. We got options here, fellas. Now this guy is about 16 inches. They do have other sizes. It's rated at 8,000 lumens, so super bright. And you can see the internal battery there is 7,500 milliamp hours. So nice size battery in there. Oh no, the power's out. It's all dark. I can't see. I'm gonna stub my toe on something. Boom! Look at that. Light up an entire room. Oh no, but we took it too far. Now we're in trouble. So there it is, guys, your Latour LED multifunctional light. Whether you want to use it like I am as an under cabinet light, a work light, basically a flashlight, it's got options. It's super bright, lots of functions. So there it is. Thanks for watching.